How to upload high quality snaps on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can upload high quality snaps on Snapchat. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to add high quality snaps on Snapchat, first of all, open up your Snapchat account and log in into your account. After logging in, you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your home screen. So in order to add a high quality snaps or click a high quality snaps from your device, you just need to follow the steps. So here on your home screen, you just need to tap on this drop down option here, and here you can easily see this tone option. So you may just turn on this option here. You can see tone option. After that, you may just adjust it by your preference. So what tone does is basically tones up your picture, gives exposure and makes your picture's quality look good. So you may just turn on this option while you're clicking snaps. After that, simply hit this snap clicking option, or you may record a video as well. After that, send it to your friends, and that's how you basically send high quality snaps on Snapchat. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.